Goodness gracious, sakes alive, thanks for stopping back by. Today we'll be visiting Sparta, Tennessee and the Rock House. Sparta is located in White County, Tennessee. It was established in 1809 as a county seat. It is most famous as the home of Lester Flatt, who played guitar in the Foggy Mountain Boys. The band was started by Lester Flatt guitarist and Earl Scruggs banjo player. They are well known for the Beverly Hillbillies theme song. Benny Martin, also from Sparta, was a bluegrass musician. He played fiddle and he actually invented the 8-string fiddle. If bluegrass isn't your thing, then how about baseball? Sparta was also the birthplace of a few Major League Baseball players. Tom "Shotgun" Rogers, a pitcher from 1917 to 1921. Lefty Stewart, also a pitcher, between 1921 and 1935, and Earl Webb, a right fielder from 1925 to 1933. If baseball isn't your thing, then how about football? NFL assistant head coach David Culley is also from Sparta. He's currently with the Baltimore Ravens. Okay, enough about people from Sparta. Sparta has several entries on the National Registry of Historic Places. One such location is the Sparta Rock House State Historic Site. This was quite a find that we came across purely by accident. We lost our GPS signal, so Rose was navigating with the atlas instead. She noticed this little gem on the map. We thought it would be a quick stop for pictures, but it turns out that there was a caretaker. His name was Rick. He waved us inside. What it turned out to be was one of the better tours we've had in a long time. Photography was allowed, but video was not inside the house, so this is going to be a slideshow of the pictures we took. The building itself is only one room, but it is filled with so much history that it is actually a little overwhelming. The house was built in the 1830s. It was a rest stop for travelers and a toll house for those traveling along the wagon road between Knoxville and Nashville. Guests included Presidents Andrew Jackson, James K. Polk, and Governor Sam Houston. Back then, it was just a stone building with a dirt floor. Later, around 1880 to 1921, it was used as a schoolhouse. The Daughters of the American Revolution are credited to urging the state to purchase and restore the property, which it did in the 1940s. The caretaker Rick was very knowledgeable about the collection. He literally had a story for everything displayed, and it wasn't always what you would typically expect for the objects that you were looking at. We could have spent hours listening to him talk, but we had to move on if we wanted to reach our destination. There is a gravel road up the side of the hill where the original road once ran. We definitely plan to go back sometime, and I highly recommend stopping by the site if you are in the area. Rick told us about a waterfall and a cave a few miles away where the 1994 Jungle Book was filmed. He gave us detailed directions on how to get there, but of course we weren't taking notes, so we tried to find it by memory. Our next video will be our adventure to the waterfall and the cave. Thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget to check out our Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter where we post updates and photos that may not be in this video. You will definitely want to stay tuned for our next video. We get lost in White County, Tennessee. Until next time, safe travels and God bless.